But look, if I go live with a female, but look, time walking out. What if I just say, her and the homegirl, come on, let in the bedroom, let us get them tattoo. Hold on, woman. I'm trying to eat. I'm in the fridge there. I'm looking for some Jello juice. Man, like, what with Jello juice? Jello juice. I'ma look in these cabinets, see you got some Jello. I can make some Jello juice. Nah, but for real. The reason why I'm gonna go live with a woman is to go in her refrigerator. And look, I'm looking for mayonnaise. I made me a big ass mayonnaise sandwich. Then I'm get the ketchup, make me a ketchup sandwich. Then I need some peanut butter and some syrup. I'm make a big ass syrup sandwich. But then look, after that, I'm going in that kitchen cabinet and look for Jello packs. So I can make some goddamn Jello juice. Nah, babe, if a girl, like, ain't got no Jello, or do you got some pudding? I mean, wow, I make me some goddamn pudding juice. Nah, but for real, look, I go live with a woman under these conditions. You must have some mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, oh, and some, you gotta have some mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, and peanut butter, and some bread. I mean, I'm being honest. I'm going to live with a woman to go in the refrigerator. I want to eat. I'm going to live with a woman so I can eat. And look, she gonna be like, I'm gonna go to the store. I'm gonna get you a 2-liter. I like, okay, babe. Until then, I'm gonna go in the cabin and get this damn Jello so I can make some Jello juice. And look, we ain't got no Jello. I want some pudding juice. No, I want me some chocolate pudding juice. I want some chocolate pudding juice. No, for real. Wait, but I'm on the syrup sandwich. I'm not lying, I'm not playing, and I'm not laughing. When I go live with a woman, I'm going in the goddamn refrigerator. First, I'm going in the refrigerator, and she gonna be in the bedroom with a homegirl by herself. Come on, let that kid them tattoo. Hold on, hold on. I'm in the goddamn refrigerator, get some Spam. You ain't got no Spam. Hey, I'm in a big ass. No, I'm on a pickle sandwich. Not just playing. Bye, y'all.